Okonomiyaki is the Japanese pancake, but it's not a sweet pancake. It's with cabbage and then some of the sauce on the top. We make a okonomiyaki with this one, but you can use all-purpose flours. We use the cabbage and then onions. You know, the okonomiyaki is very popular. So every family have different recipes. Squid and shrimp. You can use pork or either something else. You can use it. It's okonomiyaki means whatever you wish. So it can be the pork, can be the beef, and then we make okonomiyaki and then eating all the okonomiyaki for the party. I like to have people come into my place. I like to teach the small tips, and I like to teach the Japanese food. This is the most popular dish of my workshop.